Hello, traders. Welcome to Global Wealth Education FX Academy. So this is actually weekly forecast. Just quickly, just see that what market going to give us this week, right? Let's see what other opportunities are available to look for some good setups, right? So let's move on. We'll start with DXY, dollar index. We always look at dollar index in order to understand the other major past direction and targets and moves, right? So now moving forward, what we could see here. So we know that dollar index on long-term high time frame basis, it's a bearish. Now it's short-term on bullish momentum. Right now we could see that the dollar index, like is falling off, right? Now what I'm looking for is dollar index to give us a sort of a retracement. Hopefully this is what I'm anticipating right now is right. So from this level, I'm anticipating price to give us a retracement. Then hang on a second, and move down further, right, to come to this price level area, then continue up towards targets. All right, to continue the towards the target that we set on top, right, which is a monthly institutional candle, right? This is where we are targeting. Suppose failure to do so, if dollar index break this low, then possibly we could anticipate dollar index to continue the is a high time frame bearish move towards the downside, right? So this is what we are anticipating in dollar index. I'm just quickly wanted to repeat again. We are anticipating dollar index to retrace a bit deeper, right? In the meantime, if dollar index come up here, then come lower, fill the imbalance, then we could possibly anticipate towards our target, right? Set. Okay. Then if dollar index drop further down, then possibly we can anticipate reaction from here towards upside, the target which we have set, right? If dollar index breaks this low, then we could anticipate move lower, right? Just to continue the high time frame in a moment, right? Let's move on to GBPUSD. What we could see. GBPUSD, guys, we are anticipating we had a nice last move, and now we are, because on a high time frame basis, GBPUSD on bullish. Now what we could see. GBPUSD, what I'm anticipating right now is to just hit this price level, fill this, just collect this all liquidity up here and just come back and just to retrace and fill this imbalance that we have here. Maybe it possibly could come up to 50% or maybe just a bit lower. Then we could anticipate possibly continue it moves, right? This is a scenario, one scenario we can look at the moment. So failure to do so, if the GBPUSD take this low, then possibly we could anticipate GBPUSD to run lower, right? Run lower towards target set down that we have here, first target and further down, right? So this is possibly we could anticipate on GBPUSD this move. Let's move on to EURUSD. EURUSD, guys, we had a nice, beautiful, buy setup last week, but unfortunately we missed that by 2 pips, right? And now this was the setup. Now we don't need that right now. We just remove that. This was shared on the members group and the free channel as well. But eventually, we missed 2 pips. And now what we are looking for, we are anticipating Euro is to climb higher. We have a target set because we have a point of interest. I'm looking for Euro is to climb here, possibly look for some selling opportunities, right? In the meantime, if Euro USD come lower, then we could anticipate, some buy setups from here as well. It's all depend on how dollar index move. For right now, we need to wait what price action show us. Basis on that, after filling this imbalance, we have to see some reactions. When reactions happen, we could see that, suppose like the price comes here and just, let's just give us some reaction, then possibly then we could enter for the sell toward the target side to a downside, right? Then after if price come to our point of interest, then we have to reassess the situation, see the price action, then we could see that was an opportunity to execute the trade setup, right? So this is not ready yet right now. We have to see what candlestick's going to print further. Then according to that, we will make a move, right? So now moving forward, EURCAD. I'm anticipating on EURCAD, guys, is super bearish at the moment. I'm anticipating looking for only sell opportunity at the moment, because I'm expecting price to come and get a reaction from here. So possibly, what we could anticipate is Euro to come here. We could anticipate some, possible sell opportunities. This institution, this area. This is what I'm anticipating right now on EURCAD. Suppose if EURCAD come with lower, just saying that trade collecting this equal high, maybe just could run lower. Possibly we could anticipate, right, just the price to come up here. Then possibly we could take the pair downside, right? But for now, I'm anticipating only sell opportunity on the EURCAD, right? So this is what I'm anticipating now on EURCAD. So moving forward, let's see what we could see on USDCAD. USDCAD, guys, I've been waiting for only buy opportunity right now, but it's like, after this impulsive move, it's consolidating right now. So it's not that much good price actions for right now. This setups were actually just taken, but it's still active, but it's going to hit the, I think it would have hit the break even. And now what I'm looking for is on USDCAD, right? Possibly we could look for some selling opportunity on this price level area, right? This area, right? If USD can come here, they can reassess the situation, then we can take the pair. Look, possibly we can look for some buying opportunity from this price level areas, right? So let's see that what USDCAD going to give us, because for right now I don't see any much confirmation to enter any trade setups as dollar index moves. So hopefully I'm anticipating I think USDCAD could run lower, capture this liquidity, then we could see possible some reaction from here to take the pair towards upside with target set, right? This is what I'm anticipating right now. Now, if you see any opportunities or trade setups, we could, definitely will share with our Telegram channel and our private members group as well. And furthermore, I enjoy you for the rest of the trading, week. So trade safe, take care, see you soon.